But then, our founder, Ruben Ecleo, did claim that he is Jesus Christ. But 20 years ago, he died. So, because of his claim that he is the Jesus Christ, the members and other people are expecting him to raise from the dead. But until now, he didn't he didn't make it to raise from the dead. And they hold the power in that island, political power, and his son, named after him, is the junior of Ruben Ecleo, became the mayor of that island. And but then lately, we heard that he is linked to the drugs and to a drug syndicate.